guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is tife.adebanjo, and on my channel I talk about, I don't know why I just did this, but on my channel I talk about natural hair and lifestyle. So please, if you're not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe icon and also the notification bell. Notification bell, so you know when I drop a new video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you something pretty cool. As you probably already know, if you're a returning subscriber, I've had braids in for the past 4 weeks. I'm going to insert a clip here. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I turn my braids to these beautiful locks right here. So of course, I did it myself, and I'm going to be taking you through the entire process. So please stick around, watch this video till the end, and I will see you at the end of the video. So because it's been 4 weeks since the last time I washed my hair, it's been 4 weeks since I got these braids. My scalp is really dirty and there's a lot of buildup on it. So I'm going to try to get as much gunk out of my scalp as possible. What I'm going to use is water. I have my water in this spray bottle. I'm also going to need my shampoo. I'm using the Expel Hair Care Hemp shampoo. I also need a small towel. So these 3 items are going to be helping me in my quest to get my scalp as clean as possible without actually putting my hair under the shower. So I'm going to spray some water on a corner of the towel. I'm just going to take a corner right here, and I'm going to spray some water on that. Just try to get it as damp as possible without having it soaking wet. So it's damp now, and I'm going to take my shampoo and put as little of it as possible on that corner. Spray some more water and work it into a really thin lather. You can see that it's beginning to lather up. We're going to go into the parts. Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like you can see the dirt is already coming out. So you want to do this for the rest of your head. Now while you're doing this, you want to be very careful so you're not messing up your hair or breaking through your strands. Like, you just want to be as gentle as possible so that you're not breaking your strands while you're rubbing the towel through your scalp. Don't you understand? So now that I have put the shampooed towel all over my scalp, I'm just going to do an imitation of a rinse. What I'm going to do now is spray my towel with some water and rub that all over my scalp to get as much of the soap out as I can. What I'm going to do now is to use the dry part of the towel sort of to dry my scalp. Now that I am done washing my braids, I'm just going to leave my scalp to air dry for a couple of hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours, and then I'll be back to continue with the lock installation. So we're back. I let my hair dry for about 3 hours, and now I'm ready to begin the installation of my locks, right? Before I go on, I'm going to spray my hair and scalp with some water and then follow up with my favorite oil at the moment, the Beverage hair oil. Okay, so now that that's done, let me just show you the hair I'm going to be using. I got 4 packs of the Darling Passion twists, so I believe I have more than enough to cover my head of hair. I got 4 packs in color 1 because I'm a lawyer and you know we can't do outrageous colors, right? But yeah, I got 4 packs in color 1. This is what it looks like. For this kind of locks, you can pretty much use any type of curly extensions, like any extensions with curls or waves. You can use it for distressed locks. So I got this one. It kind of looks like spring twists. I've made a video on how I install spring twists. I'll link it up here so you guys can check it out when you're done with this video. This contains 15 strands or 15 sections of hair, and each pack has 2, so that's 30 sections of hair per pack, which is why I got 4, because at some point I counted my braids and I had a little over 90. So I figured that I'm going to use 1 section of hair per braid, so I didn't want to be short-handed. I don't know, but I didn't want to be short, whatever. It's currently raining, so I'm sure it's a little bit noisy. The audio is noisy, but I'm sorry, I already started, right? So the ends are cut, and now I can begin to do my locks. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to take a section of the hair and separate it. So it looks like this. Ordinarily, what I could do to ensure extra security is to take my crochet needle and crochet this section of hair into the bottom of my braid before I begin to wrap. But let me use this braid instead. But I'm not going to do that simply because I don't want to jeopardize my hair or cause any breakage or whatever, because I've already, manipulated my hair by washing it a little. So I'm going to just begin to wrap straight away instead of crocheting this into my hair. I mean, I'm not even going to wear it for that long anyway, so it doesn't need to be that secure. So yeah, let me zoom in and show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm going to take this section of my braid and take the hair, right? I'm going to take one end of the hair. I'll stretch it out a little so I can get to the very end. I'm going to take this section of hair, right, and line it against my braid, hold it in place, and then using this longer section, I'm going to begin to wrap around. So I'm trying to see which way is more convenient for me. Okay, this is more convenient. So I'm just going to begin to wrap, not too tight so that I don't pressure my hair. So from the top, I'm going to do a few overlapping wraps, and then begin to bring it down.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Now I'm not wrapping very tightly so that I don't lose the distressed effect. I'm just going soft and easy. I'm alternating between tight wraps and soft and easy wraps. This is what it's looking like so far. So we're just going to keep going. So we're currently at the end, and what I do is just wrap it around securely and then begin to take the leftover back up. Then to secure, all I need to do is just roll it, and that's it. Our first lock is done. So this is what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the hair, but let me show you what it looks like zoomed out. This is our first lock.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, and everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny, I got a crush on you. That's true, I'm digging you. You make me believe your love is more than a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on.
Alright guys, so this is the next day and I am done by the mighty grace of God. Thank you, Jesus. I'm done. I've finished my hair.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you,
I left my edges alone simply because I didn't want to apply any undue pressure on them or make them any more under tension than they currently are. In the back, I started to do two braids to one lock. These sections are kind of bigger than the ones I have in front, right? So what happened was, in front I did one braid to one lock, one braid into one lock, and then with the back, because it was getting a little too full and I needed to minimize what was going on my head, I don't know, I started to take two braids and turn them into one lock. So for those sections, what I did was, instead of taking one section of the passion twist like I did in front, I took two sections, so it was thicker, and then wrapped it around two braids to form one lock. So that's what I did. If I didn't do that, I don't know what time I would have finished, but yeah, we thank God for grace. So yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're still here, if you saw it to the end, then you're an OG. You're an OG and you have my entire heart. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up so YouTube knows that you enjoyed it and kind of sort of pushes it out to a wider audience. To a wider audience. Okay, thank you so much. Leave a comment, let me know what you think of this hairstyle. Is it something you'd be willing to try? Is it something you like, or it's too much stress? Let me know, okay? And yeah, I will see you in my next video.